everyone. Today, I thought of something weird. Because I don't have a camera in real life, you can just see this, maybe hear it. I'm wearing handcuffs right now. I bought these handcuffs and they're really annoying, and I thought I'd play gorilla tag in them because why not? Look at this. I'm gonna be playing like this. Hey,
yeah,
you.
I hate to break it to you,
Top
but
hat.
it really does.
Top hat. You.
Black.
At the store today, I bought handcuffs, and I'm playing gorilla tag in handcuffs for my YouTube video. I'm wearing handcuffs right now. You hear them?
Yes.
Yeah. I don't know why I'm playing it.
I can use for handcuffs. Oh, I'm gonna just try playing with my hands together. I'm probably going to like break something, but I'm gonna do it.
Anyway, I gotta go to infection now. I hate this. This is difficult.
Put it on this. Put it on this. And then put one.
This is so difficult.
I know.
This is gonna be a hard challenge.
Oh my god! I've been trying. Can someone help this dude?
This is gonna be difficult.
Yo, does anyone know how to? Does anyone know? Oh, you.
Where am I?
Is he alive?
This is difficult.
Does anyone know some mouse to mouse? We gotta fix him.
Oh, that. Bro,
Oh, he's alive.
Where's the guy?
Magical snowballs.
Bro,
Where's the guy I have to tag?
Die.
No!
Die.
And I'm muted.
Oh, we killed him again.
Oh. Could I pinch clown, do you think? I don't know. No, I can't. Oh, ow. Oh, that hurts. Oh, that hurts. It's yanking on my wrists. Oh. I just want to tag somebody. No. Okay, I'm not going up there ever again.
Is it wide?
Oh. It's gonna be difficult, but I can do it. Come on.
He's gonna eat the toast.
Oh, this hurts. Oh. Never play in handcuffs. Oh. I hear someone. Oh no. Someone's coming up. Oh. Surprised I wasn't tagged first. Oh. Oh. Jesus, this hurts.
Yo, someone's above you. Hello. Can you see me?
Hey, what's up, bro?
No one's focusing on me. Oh god. Guy. No.
Yo, why? Yo, why? Catch my snowball. Catch it.
Ow. Ow. This hurts so much. This is gonna be painful. Oh no, no, oh. This is so hard. I'm gonna go to caves. This lobby doesn't seem to be interested in tagging.
ساعدونك احسن تكون ورا
Oh,
ناس
can I tag green?
ناس غاتك ترى هنا
Come on, green.
احسن من ذيلا بوايد احسن من الغبلة بوايد
Soak in my Capri Sun.
راح تتعلم
Oh, come on, come on. Oh, oh. Green, wait up. I'm wearing handcuffs. Be slow, water, please. Oh.
Green, suck on my Capri Sun.
No, I don't want to go up there. Ooh, I'm doing it better now.
He's not even up there anymore. He's camping in a tree.
Come on, how am I supposed to get up there?
Just climb the tree.
Please, full. No, I'm wearing handcuffs for a video right now, so I can't really climb anything. Wearing handcuffs in gorilla tag. Oh, come on. I was trying to tag him.
Hey. Good job. You. Oi.
Guys,
Oi. Pink hat.
you green, you. This is hard to play.
Hey, sir.
You know, black people love chicken.
Hey, sir. Hey. Give me your report card. Give me your report.
Hey, bro, my mom with me, bro. I got A's. Hey.
I'm in handcuffs right now, so this is a little difficult. I'm using handcuffs for a video, so it's a little difficult for me. Oh, I might tag him.
Where you get that from?
I'm wearing handcuffs. Oh, got someone. Yes. Listen to this. Stubby, look at it.
No.
Oh. Come on, why you gotta be up there? Oh.
Get over here, boy.
Oh.
Give me your report card.
I'm already in handcuffs. You can't punish me.
Yeah.
Oh,
Listen
you
to-
wanna know how to run really
Yellow.
fast? You wanna
Wait,
know
white.
how to
Look. Listen to this, white.
Give me your report card.
Listen to this, white.
I'll teach you how. No, I'll teach you how to run in handcuffs really easily.
Okay.
Do this. You just sort of crouch over.
Thank
and
you.
Just move your hands really quick.
Thank you. This is a gift.
Look how
This
fast.
is truly a gift.
No, you try and move your hands like this.
God damn it, black. You scared the shit out of me. You made me thinking Master was
Where's the
coming for me.
tagger?
I don't know, but are you in need of help? Should I dial the 9 of the 1?
Oh.
Why are you in handcuffs?
Time to go.
I'm dumb and I made a YouTube video, so
I want to take a cake
with Cody B. I'm filming a YouTube video and it hurts. This hurts. Never do this.
Okay.
Wait.
What's your channel name? And I'll drop a sub.
DJ Ninja 51.
DJ Ninja 51.
Come here,
1
Master.
second.
Give me your daughter, Master. Give me your
Oh
daughter.
god.
You have a
Tagger, tagger, tagger.
Homie's fat, bro.
Yeah, not cleaner than usual.
No, please.
What's that?
No.
I'm gonna fucking know.
This is so hard and painful.
I have the power of give me your report card.
Oh. Ow.
Look at this
Ow.
motherfucker.
Give me your
Where you
report
going?
card.
Come on, Black. Got him. Let's go, baby.
Give me your report card.
Grandma? It's Grandmama. No, not Grandmama.
Give me your report card.
No,
Give me
please.
your report card.
No, I don't want to. No.
Run, bro. Run how I taught you. Run how I taught you.
Oh, this is very painful.
But it works.
Yeah, it works.
The hang of it. Yeah, you're doing
Please
it.
don't. This is
To help
run.
you.
Run.
Run from him. The best.
Photo shoot. Wait, I got tagged off him. When he tagged you, it instantly tagged me. I don't know.
Oh. Oh, jeez.
You need to no. If you're in pain, you need to take off the handcuffs. How long
Why would I do that?
have you been in?
Why would I take off the handcuffs?